Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Everybody and anybody can learn and grow. So in today's lesson I'm going to discuss one chapter, one topic which is coming from persistence from Think and Grow Rich. Now I believe it will be helpful for you and it will give you some values which will help you in order to get progress in your current project, in your current goal or your dreams. If you are stuck somewhere, if you don't think that you are not able to overcome that fear or something like that, I believe these lessons or these qualities which I'm going to share will help you in order to overcome all those problems. So first of all, it's my humble request, please stay tuned and keep watching until the end of the video, and I'm sure it will give you a great values if you watch this video. I'm sure your time will not be wasted. So let's start it. So first of all, I'd like to discuss a definite purpose backed by burning desire for its fulfillment. So first of all, you cannot be persistent in your goal or in your dream unless you have definite purpose backed by burning desire for its fulfillment. So you need to have a definite purpose, what exactly you want to achieve from this thing. If you have exact definite purpose, and also it should be backed by burning desire. If you have a purpose but you don't have burning desire, so you won't walk upon it. So what will happen, you will lose it and you will give up in the middle of it. So I would like to just quote one thing. The Frederick has mentioned very well, who has why to live for can bear almost anyhow. It's really wonderful, amazing, that he who has why to live for can bear almost anyhow. So if you know your why you are doing this, what is the purpose behind it, what you are going to get, are you getting fulfilled inside, are you getting happy, or you are achieving something, or you are thinking that you are being helpful to someone. If I talk about in bigger terms, if you are studying, so there must be a purpose why you are studying. If you are studying, then you are going to get great values. You are learning, you are developing yourself, you are improving your skills. So this is the purpose behind it. I'm not saying that I'm not trying to confuse you. I'm just trying to express yourself. Everybody has some purpose deep inside which you need to find it. I cannot tell you that this is your purpose or that is your purpose, because this is your own decision, this is your own life. I am just guiding you. I am just trying to express my views that how one can find purpose. If you find a purpose, then definitely I believe you will be unstoppable and you will become persistent and you will achieve whatever is stopping you somewhere. There is another favorite quote I would like to mention here. He who has why to live, I have already mentioned. There is another favorite quote: a man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambition. It is by Marcus Aurelius. He is a great writer. He has written one book on meditation. So a man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambition. It's really fantastic. If you don't have ambition, right, a man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambition. So in what terms you are weighing your success, in what terms you are weighing your worth. People say what kind of net worth you have. So first of all, I am weighing my net worth in terms of my ambitions, my dreams, my goals. I have a lot of dreams which I need to achieve, which on which I need to work upon. So I am weighing on that sense my worth. So this is my net worth. And there is also one favorite quote I would like to mention here. Earl Nightingale has mentioned, a success is progressive realization of your worthy ideas. So that is great thing. If you are thinking that you are not success, in what terms you are weighing your success. If you are getting progress, if you have goals, if you have dreams, if you are working upon it, if you are putting efforts on each day, if you are taking actions, then definitely you are successful in your own terms, no matter what people are saying. If people are saying that you don't have good amount of money in your bank or a big car, a big house, then you will be successful. Everybody has their own sense of meaning. If they think that is the success, so let them think. But as for my understanding, what I understand success is the progressive realization. If you are thinking that you are getting progress on each day, I am getting improved on each day, so automatically it gives me a sense of meaning and sense of happiness that I am doing something. I am not just wishing, I am just willing to achieve that. Then I have dreams. Success will automatically come once you have all these skills, all the things which is stopping you. So try to learn all those things and try to gain all those skills, sharpen the saw, and definitely you will achieve whatever is stopping you. So the next point I would like to discuss is the definite plan expressed in continuous action. Once you have found your purpose and you have burning desire to achieve it, then next step comes in the planning. You need to have definite plan how you are going to achieve it. You have just decided this thing, but you need to have a plan as well. Without plan, how will you achieve it? So you need to plan properly what skills are required and what is stopping you in order to achieve that particular thing. So once you start planning, then definitely you'll start putting your actions, because without planning, actions also doesn't happen. What happens whenever you have started thinking about your purpose, you found your purpose, you have burning desire, but you are not taking action. So I would like to express my own experience. The same thing was happening with me. As long as I was not finding my own purpose or my burning desire, I was getting stuck somewhere because I was not taking action. If you are not taking action, then you are getting diffused inside. So try to take action, or always remember, lousy actions are better than no action. It's very powerful. Lousy actions are always better than no action. If you are taking small steps, it doesn't matter whether you are taking a big steps. Try to start from scratch. If you think if you are taking a small step or small actions, those actions will also add up huge amount of progress in a year. So start taking action on the planning. I mean, whatever you have planned accordingly. So the next point I would like to discuss is it's all about the criticism. So you need to have a strong mindset. You need to close your mindset tightly against all negative and discouraging influences. Why I am saying this? Because you will not be persistent when you are start doing hard work, putting so much efforts. So people will start pulling you down. It happens with everyone. It's very common. So you need to close your mind tightly against all those negative influences and negative discouragements which are going to prevent you from achieving your particular dream or making you stopping you to become persistent. So they can be even your relatives or friends or any acquaintances. They can be anyone. So once you have close your mind tightly against all those negative influences, nobody can stop you. Whatever is your dream, you can achieve it. So the next point I would like to discuss is, and one thing I would like to mention is, accept both compliment and criticism. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. It's very powerful. It's being said by APJ Abdul Kalam. Accept both compliment and criticism. It takes both sun and rain for a flower to grow. So वही होता है ना कि आप जो फूल होता है कि वो ऐसे ग्रो नहीं होता है कि केवल पानी देने पे. It also requires sunshine चाहिए. तो सिमिलरली इट हैपन्स कि हम भी ग्रो तब तक नहीं करते हैं जब तक हमें कोई क्रिटिसाइज ना करे. क्रिटिसाइज का मतलब कोई पर्सन आपको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है, इट मीन्स समथिंग इज गुड इनसाइड यू or something is bad inside that person. So he is being envy or getting anxious about you that you will get progress and he is not getting that much progress. So criticism ऐसे होता है. तो criticism के लिए आपको ना माइंड को थोड़ा टाइटली क्लोज करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा टाइटली, जिससे क्या है कि आप नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंसेस से अफेक्टेड ना हो और आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो गोल्स है, आपका ड्रीम है, उसको आप आसानी से अचीव कर सकें. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस इज़ अ फ्रेंडली अलायंस, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है. फ्रेंडली अलायंस किस तरीके का, मतलब कि आप अगर अनस्टॉपेबल बनना चाहते हो, देन यू शुड हैव अ फ्रेंडली अलायंस, वन और मोर पर्सन हु कैन इनकरेज यू फॉर योर ड्रीम्स। अब वो फ्रेंडली अलायंस किस तरीके का, वो आपको चूज़ करना है कि किस तरीके का आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं। फ्रेंड सर्कल में देखिए पर्सन, हर इंसान से आपका क्या है कि यू शुड हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स टुवर्ड्स एवरीवन टू हेल्प। वही है कि वॉट एवर वी आर स्प्रेडिंग अराउंड दैट ऑलवेज कम्स बैक टू सराउंड। तो आपके अंदर अगर ये फीलिंग है, गिव लव टू देम, गिव योर सिंसियर ग्रैटिट्यूड, तो होगा क्या, इट विल इन ऑलवेज कम बैक टू यू, बिकॉज वॉट एवर वी गिव टू अदर्स इट रिटर्न्स इन मल्टीप्लाइड वेज। So you need to choose your friendly alliance. It means which can help you in order to achieve your dreams. Who can encourage you? Friendly alliance हो सकता है, for example, if you are studying, then there must be students who are also in that the same field. They will always encourage you, right? You can encourage them, they can encourage you. So friendly alliance होना चाहिए जहाँ पे like minded people हो, उनसे connected रहो। लोग तो हर तरीके के मिलेंगे, but still you need to have this strong understanding that friendly alliance is very much required in order to achieve your dreams faster. And I would like to mention one quote which is being said by APJ Abdul Kalam: good friends care for each other, close friends understand each other, but true friends stay forever beyond words, beyond distance and beyond time. So it's really powerful. So try to follow all these 4 things. I believe you can develop persistence in yourself and you'll achieve whatever is stopping you. So I hope it will be helpful for you. If you have any suggestion and feedback for me, kindly go ahead and provide me. It might be good feedback or bad feedback. I don't mind. I always accept good and bad. Bad feedback always motivates me to improve more and to do something more creative. So for now, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay creative, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Take care. Bye.